Hi and welcome to Twiddla.com. I am Bonner. This is a quick tutorial on how to use Twiddla.com. We're going to move from left to right, starting with the whiteboard. The whiteboard allows you to mark up or draw on a whiteboard. It works a lot like this. The tool I'm using right now is the drawing pencil. You can change the thickness of the pencil. You can also clear markups. I can draw with the pencil again. If I just want a section of it gone, I can erase the section. Okay. The next thing we have is the web page. Web page allows you to use a URL and mark up the URL. The Etherpad allows you to take a document and allows others to edit the document all at the same time. This works a lot like Google Docs, except in this application you can actually communicate with each other while marking up the document. The next thing we have is document, where we can upload documents. Then we have image. You can upload images. And if you notice at the bottom of the screen, you also have images and documents as well at the bottom. Next thing we see is browse. Browse that allows you to edit while in Etherpad mode. The next thing we have is the cursor. Right now you see a little paintbrush allowing me to erase, but if I ever wanted to select the cursor so that I can create boxes or text, that's the button I'm going to select. We've already went over the features of erase. Next there's shapes, various shapes that I can create. And text. Text, I would have to say, is one of my favorite features because for teachers you're always trying to highlight what your students are doing. Even as a collaborator, you can highlight things so you know who worked on what and when they worked on it. If you have someone who is marking up a page when other members aren't present, the members can continue to come in and out of the page and know where they started and when they stopped. Under text, you don't only have the option of adding text boxes. You can add sticky notes, you can add speech bubbles, and you can add round boxes. I think I like the sticky notes the best. Then we have cut, copy, and paste like you would in Microsoft Word. We have the text options where you can do font and size, the bold and italics, and the alignment. At the bottom of the screen you're going to have images just like at the top, documents just like at the top. Both images and documents allows you to upload an image. The widgets and codes, if you're actually creating a website or blog, you can input or embed, should I say, images using this tool. The mathematical formulas, of course, it allows you to add mathematical formulas. So this is a great tool for math teachers and scientists. Going all the way to the right, before we get to the very end, I want to at least discuss the invite button. The invite button allows you to invite others to the site. That's how you're going to get everybody to your room. In order to get people to your room, they have to have the room number. Because we're working in Sandbox, our room number is going to be 1, but if we were actually in a meeting, this room number would be a lot longer. The next tool, the next option I want to show you is the join audio. That allows everyone to talk to one another. And at the very bottom here we have a empty box that's a text box for you to add text. So now that we've seen all the features of Twiddla, there's one more important feature that I absolutely love. The save feature. That means when you do your markups and you do all those wonderful things I just showed you in Twiddla, you can actually save your content and come back and look at it later. That's a great feature. Well, now that I've highlighted all the features of Twiddla, I hope you go onto the website www.twiddla.com and go and play around to see what you can do with this tool. Thank you.